Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on your favorite apps. Today, we're going to show you how to delete received chat messages on WhatsApp using the PC app. This feature is super useful if you want to tidy up your conversations or remove any unwanted messages. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's installed and you're logged in with your account. Once you've got it open, you'll see a list of all your chats on the left side of the screen. Take your time to scroll through and find the chat where the message you want to delete is located. Now, let's dive into the steps to delete a message. Once you've located the chat, navigate to the specific message you wish to delete. This could be a message you sent by mistake, or one you no longer want to see in your conversation. Click on the message to bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Delete, and then choose Delete for Me. This ensures that the message is removed from your chat without affecting the recipient's view. Confirm your action by clicking on Delete once more. Just like that, the message is gone from your end. Remember, deleting a message for yourself doesn't remove it from the recipient's chat unless they also delete it. This feature is handy for keeping your conversations tidy and ensuring your chat history reflects what you want. If you're looking to clear all messages in a chat, you can also do that by right-clicking on the chat itself and selecting Clear Messages. However, if you just want to remove a specific message, following these steps is the way to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and updates. We're always here to help you navigate the latest features on your favorite apps. See you in the next video.